how to use Street View on your Apple Maps. So what you want to do is go to your Apple Maps app, go ahead and open it, and go ahead and click a location. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit better here so I can get something more precise. So I'm just going to click on Independence Hall here. It doesn't need to be a specific location. You can just click on the screen anywhere that you want. So once you do that, you're going to have a lot of information about the location that you chose, but you're also going to have this little thumbnail with a pair of binoculars on there, and you want to go ahead and click that, and that's going to bring up your current street view of your location that you chose. So you can go around, see what's going on, and this gives you a really good idea of what it looks like. You'll also see these street names with these arrows on it. You can also interact with those and go ahead and click on those arrows, and that will direct you around the locations. So you can also double click and go down some of the other streets here and really get a good idea of the surrounding areas. Once you're done with that, go ahead and hit done at the top right corner. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and go somewhere else and just pick another location. So we can go around and pick another location here. Let's just do, let's just do this place here. And you'll get the same viewing angle, be able to go through, circle around, and go down the surrounding area to see the street view. And that's it. Super easy and